In this quick video tutorial, we will discuss how to purchase your goods like uniforms and technology and other categories online and through the main School Locker website. If you haven't already started up an account and registered for a Student Advantage number, please see the tutorial description below for a link to a video that shows you how to register. The first thing you need to do is simply go to www.theschoollocker.com.au and click on the Shop by School tab, which is located in the top left corner. After you've done that, you can simply type in your school name and you should see a list of different schools pop up automatically. In this example, I'm just going to type in the word Brisbane and you can see that there's 3 schools there. So I'm just going to choose Brisbane Christian College and you can see that there's different categories to choose from. You might only need the uniforms category, but there's also technology, sports, music, and some other schools have even more categories than that. In this example, we're just going to go through the uniforms and click on maybe this hat here. And we can change the size of the hat, or it might be the size of a shirt or pants or socks. And once you're ready, you just add it to cart, and you can also change the quantity if you need more than one hat or more than one shirt. I'm just going to quickly add in a middle school tie as well and add that to cart. And then once you've finished adding to the cart, you can click on the bag icon in the top right corner there, and that will show that we've added 2 hats and we've added 2 ties. And now you're ready to click on Proceed to Checkout, which will take you to this little checkout information box so you can fill out your first name, your last name, your telephone, your address. Make sure you put in your suburb and your state and your postcode. And once you've done that, just click on Continue and you are ready to sort out your shipping method. In this case, it's given us the School Locker Oxley store and it's saying that this particular store has it in stock ready to pick up at 0 cost. But if you've put in an actual real legitimate address in your shipping details, it will give you an option to choose standard delivery, which is the Australian Post standard estimated delivery cost, which you can choose instead of picking it up from a store if you prefer that to be delivered to your house, for example. So once you've confirmed whether you'd want to pick it up from a store or get it delivered to your house, simply go through your details for payment information, put in your credit card details, press continue, and then it could take 1 to 2 weeks to ship to your house or be ready from the store to pick up straight away. Thank you and good luck shopping.